Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable keyboard backlight on HP OMEN Transcend 14. The keyboard backlight can be enabled or disabled using the button on the keyboard. So you can see here, this is the F4, and if your FN key is lit up, you just need to click on the F4 like that. But if your FN key isn't lit up, then you should, I can just disable it with FN and Shift. Then I need to click on FN combined with F4 to manage it. I think you can also manage the colors of your keyboard, but you need to get the driver for your HP OMEN. So if you don't have it, then I recommend watching a video on how to download and install drivers on HP OMEN Transcend 14. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.